Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and doing well at your home. I'm your English teacher, Miss Afsa Baba. Today I'm going to discuss about the introductory pages of your summer pack. First of all, in first page, something about me. You will write your name, class, section, father's name, mother's name, contact number, and home address. And you will also paste your picture here. And then you will sign here. On next page, the students are going to enjoy a summer break. It will be highly appreciated if they utilize their leisure time in the most constructive manner. We have chalked out a comprehensive work plan for your child. Please monitor the homework and encourage them to be physically active and alert. Kindly discourage them from sitting in front of the computer and TV the whole day. It has been observed that those students whose parents take keen interest in their studies always excel in life. Our foremost priority is to brush up all the capabilities of your youth and prepare them to meet the challenges ahead and face the world with courage and fortitude. We hope that during these vacations your child is able to enrich his or her knowledge and work upon his or her weak areas, so that when they rejoin school, she is revitalized and full of vigor. Guidelines for summer vacation tasks. Number 1, guide and help your child during work. Number 2, divide the task in a proper way. It should be on daily basis. Couple of subjects would be sufficient. Number 3, each subject work contains 10% weightage in midterm examination. Number 4, keep the summer pack neat, otherwise mark will be deducted. Number 5, incomplete work, wrong formation and untidy writing will result in reduction of marks. Number 6, submit summer pack on time, otherwise no marks will be given. Number 7, kindly submit the accomplished work to class teacher or coordinator on 27th July to 1st August. After that, no work will be collected for checking. The school management wishes all the beloved angels and respected parents a very prosperous, happy and healthy summer vacation. Now third page, message for students. Dear students, read the following instructions carefully and it will help you to work in an impressive way. Make a timetable and do your homework accordingly. Do not waste your time in watching TV all the time. Watch TV only 1 hour a day. Play indoor and outdoor games along with your studies. Mention time for games in your timetable. Summer vacation is a golden period for you. Do your best to avail the benefits of this period. Do homework in neat handwriting and learn the required text by heart. Do practice of sums of mathematics daily. Stories for reading and writing practice are also given in summer pack, so read the stories again and again to improve reading skills. Also, do dictation and learn the spellings. All the projects and activities must be done with great care and involvement. Guidance can be taken if necessary. Give equal time to recreation and homework. Do not go outside in sunshine to avoid heat stroke. Take plenty of fresh water and juices. Obey your parents and elders. Try to implement on moral lessons given in summer pack. Also learn Quranic verses given in summer packs by heart. Say your prayers regularly and on time and complete your prayer chart with honesty. Pray for yourself, for your family, fellow students, school management. Complete and submit your summer pack on time, otherwise no marks will be given. Last but not least, keep your book clean, otherwise marks will be deducted. Message from branch head. Enjoy your summer. Now in next page, each subject contains equal marks and that's grand total is equal to 40. Now project work for class 5. Make a creative model of solar system volcanic eruption. Okay, done from my side. Allah Hafiz.